In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord update failed error in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a long-time Discord user or just getting started, running into an update failure can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple process to resolve this issue and get you back to chatting with your friends or collaborating on projects. First, let's start by opening the Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard simultaneously. This action brings up the Task Manager window, which allows you to view all running processes on your computer. Once you have Task Manager open, navigate to the Processes tab. Here, you'll want to locate any processes related to Discord. If you find any, simply click on them and select End Task at the bottom right of the Task Manager window. Doing this ensures that Discord is completely closed and not interfering with the update process. Next, take a moment to restart your computer. Although it might seem trivial, a fresh restart can clear any temporary glitches or issues that might be causing the update error. After your system has rebooted, it's time to dive a little deeper into your computer's data. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. In the blank field that appears, type %appdata% and hit Enter. This command takes you directly to the roaming folder where application data is stored. Within this folder, search for the Discord folder. Once you find it, go ahead and delete it. This step will clear any cached data that might be causing issues with the update process. Now that you've cleared the cache, it's time to uninstall Discord. Head to your system's search bar and type Add or Remove Programs or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. You'll see a list of all installed software on your machine. Scroll down until you find Discord, select it, and then click on Uninstall. This action ensures that you're removing any potential corrupt files that might exist. Once Discord is uninstalled, visit the official Discord website and download the latest version of the application. Run the installer once the download is complete and let it guide you through the setup process. Finally, after reinstalling Discord or even just after clearing the cache, try running it as an administrator. Right-click the Discord icon and from the drop-down menu, select Run as Administrator. This step provides the application with the necessary permissions it might need to function properly. And there you have it. These steps should help resolve the Discord update failed error. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting everything back up and running smoothly.